Okay, class, today get out your homework is due today.
Oh no, I forgot to do my work. There must be a way to I cannot get grounded. My mom and dad are gonna be so upset to me when I'm not doing my homework and get expelled from school forever. I've got an idea. Maybe I can pull the fire alarm at school, but I'm gonna tell the teacher. I want to go to the bathroom. Hey teacher, can I use the bathroom?
Shorten you can, Junior Melon, but be fast.
Oh look, there's a fire alarm. Let me see, everybody is not looking. Closest clear, now is my chance. Now let's get out of here.
Okay, class, it's a fire troll. Everybody walking slowly, line up with me, let's go. Okay, everybody lined up, but where is Junior Melon?
Okay teacher, I'm here.
Junior Melon, where did you been?
I was been to the toilet.
Okay, class, looks like the fire drill is finished. You all can go back to class.
Junior Melon, can you please go to my office?
What is an ocular?
So, Junior Melon, I saw the class were doing a fire trail. And I saw you put the fire button. Look at the security cameras.
Oh, biscuits. Oh, look. There's a fire alarm. Let me see, everybody is not looking. Closest clear, now is my chance. Now let's get out of here.
So, anything to say for yourself?
I guess I'm not in trouble.
Yes, you are in trouble. Junior Melon, how dare you put the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are expelled from school. Go home right now.
Oh my God, Junior Melon! How dare you took the fire alarm at school and then you got expelled from school forever! That's it! You are grounded until 7 weeks gets cancelled. And from now on, you will watch Slow Einsteins from now on. Go to your room right now and never come out until you're 15 years old or 20.